crazy, but I ain't even trying to give a fuck. I just care about my people, now but that's what's up. Despite the segregation, killers and rape, my people begging them to accept us as idiots, like what the fuck. Take up the dirty guy, I can win the prize. I'm not gonna leave it alone. You're tired of me, the kind of toxic I'm going to never miss a country. I'm sorry to be a company. And I give them a thunder, breathe Islami, when you tell that give me. Come from today and do we sign these very lost and big. I don't wanna cry, God knows I don't wanna die this way. I don't wanna feel no pain, I don't wanna feel no shame. I don't wanna cry, God knows I don't wanna die this way. I'm on a gully city, I'm on a gully jolly, I'm on a gully but people told me I'm on a gully. I'm on a mini gully for a party and hot gully. I'm on a mini gully. You getting money, show me ass like that. Jesus, the notorious just with some human strata on my own shit. I don't want you nervous around like my circle, your vision just know my shit is profound. On the road to weakness, roll the beaches, roll the kill your fetus, roll the set the beaches, roll the fortune now, I'm opinions. I'm so ahead of the time, they wanna know if COVID still exists in 2029. Yeah, I talk a lot of shit, but it makes sense. Yeah, I do a lot of shit, but it makes sense. Yeah, this funny rappers thinking my existence.
mayam video se mathang da soidana sangan jarage ngasi gi kitang ten